Okay, so we're going to get started with math. So remember that we are on the number 28 this week. So when a 2 and an 8 stand together, this makes a 28. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and count because we have our 10 frames right here. And we want to make sure that there's only 28 dots in these 10 frames, okay? So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So yep, 28, it matches. Okay, so I have two groups of 10 and a group of 8 ones. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move to our even and odd section. Okay, so remember when I have a 28, I have a 2 and an 8, we are going to look at this last number or the last digit because when there's two digits, it's a double digit number. So 28 is a double digit number. So we're going to separate our even and our odd numbers. Okay, so even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, and odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, so we're going to look here. So where does my 8 fall? Is 8 under even? Is it here? Or is it under odd? Is it down here? Okay, I want you to look and I want you to think. Okay, you're looking at for an 8. Where's 8? Is it under even or is it under odd? Okay, so if you said that 8 is even, you are correct, and I want to tell you that you're doing a good job. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and go over here and you're going to circle even. Okay, so then we can move down to one more, plus 1, 1 less, take away 1. So you can write in 28 plus 1 equals. Okay, and then we're going to look over here and I am going to create a number line. Okay, we'll put 28 here, 29, 30, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23. Okay, so there's my number line. And if I know that my equation is 28 plus 1 equals, then I want to move over here and start on my 28. Okay, so here's my starting point. Okay, and when we are adding, so we have our plus sign, that means our number is going to get bigger by how many? What number is that? So 1. So it's going to get bigger by 1. So we're going to go ahead and move from my 28. We're going to jump 1 hash mark over. So my answer becomes 29. Okay, so you're going to write in 29. Okay, so 28 plus 1 equals 29. Okay, so for 1 less, or take away 1, you're going to write 28 take away 1 equals. Okay, and we're going to move back to our number line, and we're going to start again at 28. But when we're doing take away, so take away 1, that means our 28 is getting smaller. Okay, so that means we need to jump back 1 time. So we're going to go ahead and start at 28. We're going to jump back 1 hash mark, and that gives us 27. So 28 take away 1 is 27. Okay, so now you can move to your bubbles and put your plus sign in the middle. Okay, and we are going to look up at our 10 frames, okay, because this is the best way to do it. So we can only pick 2 numbers for our bubbles. So we have 1 bubble here and 1 bubble here. So that means it's 2 numbers. So what we'll do is we will break up our 10 frames. So we will do these 2 and this one. Okay, so how many groups of 10s do we have? Who remembers? Okay, so I have one 10 frame here and another 10 frame here. So that means I have 2 groups of 10, which equals 10, 20. And then I have one group of 1s, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 1s. So that means I'm going to move my 20 here, and I'm going to move my 8 down here. Okay, and we can check to see if the answer is correct by going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So yep. Okay, so here's one group of 10, here's my second group of 10, and here's my 8 1s, which is here. So that matches. Okay, so now your job is to trace the 28s and then write them, and then you can trace the word 28. Okay, and then after you do that, we're going to go ahead and move on to the fun with numbers page. Okay, so you're going to write the number 28 here. You're going to go into this section and circle the 28s. You're going to count up, so start at 25 and fill in the blank, and then count backwards. So you're going to start at 30 and count down, so 30, 29, 27, 26. So you got to fill in the blank, and then here it says circle the number that tells how many. So you're going to count the dragonflies and circle how many there are. Okay, when you're all done, then you're good for the day. And remember that we are meeting at 2:30 today, and have your picture of your birthday cake for 2 drawn so that you can present it to her at our 2:30 meeting. Okay, thanks for watching.